create a smart attendance tracker in Excel. In just 7 easy steps. First, start by creating the tracker layout like this. We have employee ID and employee name columns. Then attendance by name section, attendance by day section. Finally, create the date headings across the top. Step 2. Set up the dates. Now let's make the tracker dynamic. First, create a year dropdown using data validation. Next, create a month dropdown. Now calculate the first day of the selected month. Then find the last day of the month. Next, calculate the total number of days in the month. Finally, calculate the total working days, automatically excluding weekends. Now your tracker updates automatically whenever you change the month or year. Step 3. Create the date and day headings. Now let's generate the calendar. First, display all the dates across the header. Next, display the corresponding day names. Now your attendance sheet looks like a real calendar. Step 4. Highlight weekends automatically. Let's make weekends stand out. Go to conditional formatting. Apply the formula. Choose a highlight color. Done. Now Saturdays and Sundays are instantly easy to identify. Step 5. Add smart attendance icons. Now let's make attendance tracking interactive. Go to conditional formatting. Choose icon sets. Pick the icons you like. Change the type to number. Set the required value. Now select Show Icons Only. Let's test it. Awesome! Your attendance icons update automatically with just one entry. Step 6. Calculate attendance percentage. Now let's measure attendance automatically. First, calculate the attendance percentage. Next, calculate the remaining attendance percentage. Excel updates both values automatically as attendance is recorded. No manual calculations required. Step 7. Add dynamic progress bars. Select the remaining attendance column. Go to conditional formatting. Choose data bars. Change the type to formula. Set the minimum and maximum values. Choose your favorite color. Change the direction to right to left. Format the percentage values. Now repeat the same steps for the attendance completed column. Again, choose data bars. Change the type to formula. Set the values. Pick a different color. Format the percentages. Finally, let's calculate attendance by day. Use the countif function. Then include the countif function. Convert the result into a percentage. Drag the formula across the row. Done. Everything updates automatically. Just change the year or month, and the entire attendance tracker adjusts instantly. That's it. Your smart attendance tracker is ready to use. Now all that's left to do is start taking attendance.